June 2022, inyang opisyal yang may pirma ning metong ang Memorandum of Understanding o MOU, pinatanan ng MABALACAT City College o MCC at Lone Star College o LSC. Makaparikilya inikimpaman yulong king intercultural at global perspective, kapamilatan ng kolaborasyon da ng aduang institusyon. Metong iyang community college ng MCC, king Pampanga, kabang ing LSC naman, ing Piyakamaragula Community College king Houston, Texas, USA. At inyamong May 17, sa lubungan ng MCC di labing siya estudyanti't at talaturo ibat king LSC, Kete Pilipinas.
We're looking to give our students a kind of a cultural immersion, and so they can see new things, see how people live, and see how education affects other students from across the world. And they can take those ideas and they can take those messages and apply them in their lives and make meaningful connections, not only in their own education, but in their lives and how they can live their lives and pursue their own goals.
Kilubling aduang dumingurang pamandatun king bangsa, miyaliwa ng aktibidad ing karelang depot.
Some of my favorite experiences has been going to the rice field and learning how the quality of rice is surveyed and tested and improved. And then another really impactful moment is going to the creamery of the carabao and seeing how the milk and just the animal is maintained and the quality of the animal and just really preserving the life of such a unique animal to the Philippines and to Pampanga.
Inyang May 24, Mekyabela rin iking metong apparel making workshop na ni matenakang lantern maker ay Rolando Kiambao.
The experience was great. We learned that Pampanga is the Christmas capital of the Philippines, and the lanterns are very beautiful. We were taken to a very serene setting and had a great time making these lanterns. It was a very good group experience. The gentleman who led us in the experience, we had karaoke singing. It was a very fun time.
Nasara kanurena ay pasok king karelang komunidad king Texas, ing karelang abalo king karelang pamamisita king bangsa.
Actually, some of the things that we went over directly correlates to the things that I want to do. So just sharing how public health, of how y'all are doing the exact same things that I personally would like to do, and just seeing how hard y'all are working in different areas. And so that is something that I'm planning on sharing, is how the quality and how well it's the nationality and culture is being preserved. So
Subukan da naman din ni imamyalong kareng mapalan ka ng kiyakatamong Pinoy Games. Makanyan mo naman ng Filipino traditional folk dance at tinikling. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.